Hi, The Adaptations by Santiago Alonso Reyes Angarita.
Living beings adapt to the environment in which they live to ensure the survival of species. This has allowed to the proliferation of different forms of life in terrestrial and aquatic environments. What do we mean by adaptation? Adaptation is the process by which all organism develops the ability to survive in certain environmental conditions. Such survivability may be a physical characteristic or behavior change that is passed down from generation to generation. We will see the adaptation of the animals in aquatic and terrestrial environments. Characteristics of the aquatic environment. The aquatic environment presents a series of conditions that facilitate the adaptation of living beings. For example, it keeps the temperature stable throughout the year, contains dissolvable mineral salts that can take advantage of organisms, as well as gases such as carbon dioxide used for photosynthesis and oxygen used in breathing. Adaptation of animals to the aquatic environment. Animals also adapt to the movement of the aquatic environment to move, capture their food, reproduce, relate to others being around them, escape from their enemies, and protect themselves. There are marine animals that remain fixed, like coral, for which there are developed structures that allow them to adhere to the ground. Characteristics of the terrestrial environment. The terrestrial environment is characterized by a variety of climates in the different geographical regions of the planet, and this is in a large part to the influence of factors such as temperature, humidity, rain, winds, luminosity, and soil. Adaptation of animals to the terrestrial environment. Animals have a wide variety of adaptation depending on the environment in which they develop and the specific needs of the organism. This way, they have adaptations to be displacement, to the feeding, to the breeding, and of protection.